To set lock screen active or browser status, show notification show content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Select settings, and then tap show notifications are paused. If you turn off show notification, and if turn on, tap show notification are active. And then turn on live transcript and show notifications. If off, tap show notifications switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap active or paused status. Scroll down, tap lock screen, and then select show content. No active or paused status, set as show content in lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.